Hello everyone and welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at USDcad here. I'm looking out for some type of correction move here. This is partly because we've had this huge drop to the downside all the way from June, and we do need a correction still. And I'm thinking that this could be the start of it. So the correction phases will just be trends moving in the opposite direction. So that's in the macro. So talking about the micro levels and lower term targets, etc. So what I'm looking out for is a possible move to potentially break this uptrend, get some sort of fake out. And this would obviously influx a lot of orders, and we could have one more move to the upside. So I'm keeping out of an eye for this type of move situation. And then if this does happen, I will be looking for price to move above the current high here from the 30th of September, and then if we can get one more drop, and then I'll be looking to target 1.315. This zone here also matches up quite well with some support level and resistance, so hope you guys can see this zone quite well. If I mark out a fib on this from a projected level, it's just under the 618 and between the 0.786 as well, so pretty much some sort of confluence is here in terms of fib. So this is one scenario. The other scenario is that we start and look at how at the end of the last week, which was on the 30th of September, as we saw this huge drop to the downside. So I'm keeping an aware and key signs out for this move, because if we do make that break again, and this time it would be a strong break to the downside from this uptrend, we could have a possible retest of this uptrend, and then possible move to the downside again into this zone. But if this scenario does happen, I will provide an update video and see if we can try and inform you guys a bit earlier on the day, because obviously this is done in at the end of the day, so hopefully we can capture the move. If not, we can always look for retest levels as well, so there's not really much at loss here. But again, pretty much I'm looking out for this scenario here. If we do get that push to the upside, then we can count that this uptrend is remaining valid. And if we get a push to the upside, break the low, break the high, get one more push here, look out for key resistance, wick rejections, anything that it signifies a loss of momentum, and then a break to the downside. We could be ending into 1.315. So I'll keep you guys updated with this pair. If you do have any questions, feel free to message us. If you're new to this channel, also feel free to join our trading group. That link is in the description as well, including all of our social medias as well. So if you do want to get in contact with us, just check those links out, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So if you made it all the way to the end of the video, guys, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you all in the next one.